السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. النهاردة هنتكلم مع مدلول الكاستمر سيرفيس. أنا كنت عملت الفيديو ده قبل كده بس كان صوت وكان عبارة عن قراءة للكاستمر سيرفيس. النهاردة هنتكلم بصوت والصورة عن معنى مدلول الكاستمر سيرفيس وإيه الخدمات اللي بتقدمها. خدمات رجال الأعمال والكومبانيز، الشركات المهمة زي فودافون وتسويق موبينيل وتي داتا اكسيد، وطبعا الفروع كتيرة جدا لخدمات الانترنت. هنتكلم النهاردة نقول باللغة الإنجليزية very important for customer service to my service. I used to work in customer service. This actually what I'm most excited at this. The LAST or last approach. So to get started, let's talk a little about what customer service. So customer service is when you have customer calls and you're trying to make you comfortable and happy possible. You're also training to meet their need and expectations and solve any problem in situations they might have. So customer service is huge category. There are many different jobs where you use customer service. If you work in a hotel, for example, as a clerk, the lobby, I hope you'll be using customer service. If you work in a restaurant, as server, you'll be customer service for hostess. If you manager, customer service. If you work in the business, hospital, you'll be using customer service. So very much many time when you're dealing with the public and the customer service is training and them you're doing customer service. So there are many different problems that customer might have. What are some example? If you have some problems, can you think if you anything problem customer might have? Maybe somebody charges them too much for something. Maybe they're unhappy customer a hotel and they because Wi-Fi isn't working or bad control. So there's many different problem customer may have different businesses. In this video, what it going to teach you what do you do when customer has a problem. So very easy thing to do when customer has a problem is called the last approach. Last, what does it stand for? Well, if customer have problem, the first apologize. Should you listen to the problem? The next thing you do is apologize. Solve the problem and thank them. So listen, apologize, solve, and thank. We're going to expression to use to shoot it, listen, expression to apologize, expression can you help solve problem, expression to thank customer. Okay, so first is them when customer has problem and not listen. Should you do is find what you say problem. So you can ask them what things you work once they starting explain what's the problem. Very important that you like you actually listening and that you do listen. Okay, so you do shouldn't looking at you watching mommy. Okay, that's look at the sky. This person to go to talking to your eyes. No, you actually should care customer is saying. To show you listening is very important. You can repeat back the customer what they're saying to show that you understand and make sure that you did understand. So what they're saying you can use their know how in the hotel. What do you think Wi-Fi is not working? I'm not happy. Okay, this is some example. What do you think? So what you're saying, you can also say, let me get you right. What do you think? Let me get you right. What's the problem at you? The cable table. What you think? What you will. Important to you. Listen and acknowledge what you say. Have. Okay. Now sometimes with customer service, get something is very angry. And maybe swearing is happens very. The swearing using very important that you don't get that when you happens to mean about it you give your volunteer anything personally I will just smile and important to be computer and to how to get angry customers. So if the person is or you not lie somebody anything sometimes you to you or making customer so people right smile or be friendly and say I really want to help you but your language is guiding in the way. I understand you're frustrated, please calm down so I can help you. Okay, I really apologize the fact you that the help sometimes it doesn't work person might keep yelling swearing and that manager but I go before the happens try be nice to customer and just remind them to use the down and to use nice language to can help you. Look at the next step of last. Okay, so after you have listened to customer problem, the next thing you do is apologize. It does not matter if you don't anything going wrong. Yes, thank you. You're crazy or no problem. Apologize. You do not say fault. Okay, what do you think? I'm sorry you had bad experience. Experience is not but blaming anybody. You're not saying you're not a mistake. No, I'm sorry I had bad experience. So what you so don't think about bad experience. Don't take poems. After that, solve the problem, fix the problem, make things right. So how do you do that? Well, if you know what do you do, I can solve a problem. If the problem is solved, you can tell them what you're going to do. Here's what you do to help you. Okay, if the Wi-Fi problem, for example, here's what would help you. I sent IT over to your hotel room to help fix it Wi-Fi. Here's what you do Wi-Fi going to. Okay. Sometimes there are some problems where customer asks you, tell you the problem you don't know what you do. You have to know how to fix a problem. And good to do is go to your manager, your case, or your supervisor. So you can be honest. What you don't know, tell them, I'm not sure how to resolve situation. I am not sure to solve situation. Let me check my manager. Let me check supervisor. So if good don't know what you do, somebody who does. Finally, very important, you know, listen, apologize, solve. The final thing you do, customer, okay, thanks the customer. Okay, thank you for letting how about situation. We appreciate it. Thank you for helping. Thank you for bringing this our extension. Very important. Thank you, customer, and the positive, friendly, not because to come back. So what are the for the gain to customer service when customer has a problem? First, listen. Next, apologize. Listen. and solve last you thank the person. Last, apologize, solve, and thank you will help you for most customer service problem. Is a very good way to organize yourself and you have customer and make them comfortable and happy. So are you happy? You can visit www. وكده ان شاء الله نكون خلصنا موضوع الكاستمر سيرفيس مع دكتور هانس اسماعيل، متحدث اللغة الإنجليزية والفرنسية، انجليش او فرنش، مدرس لغة إنجليزية، يهم التعليم الأساسي. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.